still stuck with a payment method you can't delete because of that pesky active subscription. The most common reason you can't remove a payment method is an active subscription tied to it. Think of it like a bill you can't just stop paying if you're still using the service. So, step 1 and the most direct solution: you need to cancel the subscription. First, head over to the website or app where you manage your subscriptions. Look for Settings, Account, or Billing Information. You'll usually find an option to manage or cancel your active subscriptions. If you're having trouble finding the cancellation option, or if the platform makes it intentionally difficult, your next best move is to contact customer support. They can guide you through the cancellation process or even cancel it for you from their end. In some cases, if the subscription is very close to its expiration date, you might need to simply wait it out. Once the subscription period ends and is no longer active, you should then be able to remove your payment method. After successfully canceling or waiting for your subscription to expire, you can go back to your payment settings and remove the associated payment method without any issues. Problem solved, and your digital wallet is now cleaner.